Good morning, we're so glad you're here.
We daily vlog, so if you enjoy this video, come on back tomorrow.
We're all packed up, we're all ready for the day. Went on my run, it's beautiful, here's a photo. We're packed up, we're gonna drop our luggage off at Bell Services because of our room move today, so we're just soaking up this balcony for the last few minutes before we head on over to, where is it?
The Boardwalk.
Boardwalk.
Bye, room. Wow. It's our first time using this walkway to the Magic Kingdom as guests. I feel like that's like the biggest perk of Contemporary and Bay Lake Tower. Obviously they're nice, but if you don't have to get in line for a ferry or a monorail at the end of the day.
And what we're doing is we're like tricking them because we're not going to Magic Kingdom today. We're just going to the bus stop so we can take a bus directly to Boardwalk. Got the bus all to ourselves. And we didn't even have to wait. Like literally the cast member was like doing his morning like check of the bus and walking and said, come on, let's go.
Yeah, we were expecting we have to wait 20-30 minutes because there's not as many guests. It's the morning.
Which just means a little more Boardwalk time.
Yeah, the best of luck.
After just relaxing in the Boardwalk lobby, we came out here before we were heading over to the restaurant. And it is just so serene. Oh!
What? Ducks.
There's a bunch of ducks that are strolling up on us right now.
You know good duck. Just like your father.
And we're gonna go stuff our faces there. And I can't wait because I'm starved.
Trattoria al Forno. We haven't been there since it was Cat Cora's restaurant.
Like
on our college program.
10 years ago. I think they think we're gonna feed them or something.
I'm sorry.
Sorry, ducks. We walk into Trattoria al Forno and it smells like downtown Chicago during Christmas.
Which is funny because like this is also an Italian restaurant and it's we're very Italian-y, downtown-y at Christmas time, so
This is good.
it's special.
I'm like madly in love with this place.
And they're playing Pinocchio.
And I feel like this is Chicago and Italy and love
In
and
Disney World.
Christmas in Disney World. And at the Boardwalk nonetheless. I feel like we made a dire mistake by not coming here for the past 2 years, and we're gonna come here once a month going forward for the rest of our lives.
So I ordered a San Pellegrino limonada. I love this stuff.
And I ordered a nice Joffrey specialty blend of pressed pot of coffee.
I had to share the explanation of Peter's press pot because when I read it out loud, it sounded super fancy. So if you're interested, you could pause and read it. Holy moly. This is some avocado toast. You guys know avocado toast has been like the one thing have been like aversion, but there's mushrooms on this and peppers. And look at that bread and those radishes and balsamic. I'm excited.
Wow. That now that beats the portobello sandwich at Grand Floridian.
It was so good. We are ranking our meals this trip after every meal, and then like just like overall, like not really getting technical or anything.
So right now that's number one.
So good and affordable.
And it was just like the whole thing, the whole package.
The park has only been open 11 minutes, and it's glorious. It's hot, but glorious. So we decided that today we're gonna go into every pavilion, all the shops that are available and open, and really just take the World Showcase with like the biggest open arms.
Yeah, we realized that like we thought when we booked this trip that these would be the first days we'd get back into the park, but the fact that we went to EPCOT 3 days before the trip, and Magic Kingdom 2 days before the trip, is just making it able to be much more just relaxing.
This is one of my favorite hidden gems of the Mexico Pavilion.
Oh, here it goes.
Ooh, all the lights.
First little excursion into the Mexico Pavilion. We decided because we're still like cooling from the heat of the World Showcase, we're gonna cool off on Caballeros before we just window shop.
Yeah, we gotta see how Jose is doing because
oh no,
I saw a video that he fell down.
He did fall down.
He fell down, go boom.
We have the entire boat to ourselves.
So there's no one at the restaurant. There's no clinking and clanking.
It's
We're just like really on a river in Mexico.
Alright, it is a beautiful day at World Showcase, but we just got the sad news that Halloween Horror Nights 2020 is canceled.
Sad but responsible.
It's understandable, but I really didn't think with all the things we've been seeing online the past like month, I really kind of had hope that Universal was going to take a swing at doing it, but it makes sense, it's responsible, I understand.
They can focus more on their daytime operations, which again is like, that really needs.
But there's been pictures going up of signage for Halloween Horror Nights. There's been the store put up. This past week they posted positions for Halloween Horror Nights, but they just made their call. And I thought I like envisioned myself like at Halloween Horror Nights, like leaving a house and looking at my phone instead of being like, my water broke, James is coming, and I'd like run through Universal to get to the car to get home. But there's next year.
Yeah.
There's next year. It's just a theme park.
Yeah.
At the end of the day.
It'll still be their 30th anniversary. It'll probably be even bigger and better and more exciting to come back to. So.
40 houses next year. We kind of just said we were gonna take it easy and walk through all the shops.
It's 10 minutes.
But
We have to go on.
you can't skip a 10-minute Frozen line.
No way. So that's like the first time we've ever gotten stuck on that ride.
I was kind of hoping for an evac, but that was still interesting.
Yeah. I'll put the footage in. It was kind of cool though to see like the spacing and getting stopped and like the backwards and stuff.
Elsa's not feeling too good.
No. We were just stuck for a while and now Elsa's just like...
Elsa's mad about Halloween Horror Nights.
She's making like little tiny gestures. Goodbye.
It is. It's enjoyable, but it is strange to see World Showcase at 12:15 during summer on a Friday look like this.
So all of the shops back here in the China Pavilion are closed, but we came for Peter to take a traditional vacation picture. Hop on.
This is my elephant Rupert. I got a Schaufelhofer. It's getting warm, so I think it's a great time for us to finish this lap and then go to the DVC Launch for a little bit.
It's really red.
Yeah, they're kind of throwing a slap in my face by using the coffee cups, since there's no coffee machine, for the pop.
Yeah, we just walked up the stairs and we'll have to use the elevator from now on. Because I feel like that's what did this to me. It was fine until we got in here.
But we'll cool off. We'll cool off.
We spotted Alice doing a social distance meet and greet. Alrighty, we're back in the World Showcase.
And France apparently is being taken over and attacked by Arendelle.
Ah!
Queen Elsa and Queen Anna.
Woo! Who's coming now?
I don't know who, but I think it's a horse-drawn carriage full of princesses. This is the greatest thing that's ever happened to me in World Showcase. This
What is that?
is full-on looting. It's a macadamia nut tree.
Oh gosh.
And it's eating a macadamia nut.
Oh my gosh.
That squirrel is lounging.
That's what I can't get over is that leg grab.
I love this area music, and it's specific for Sarah's dream coming true right now. Yeah, Goofy, yeah, Pluto! Woo! Woo! We love you! We love you both!
Holy smokes. Peter got all the sauces. Everyone is pointing out how awesome these cups are. We agree, they're totally small world vibes. We haven't had like a solid Disney Coke since we've been here, so we each got Coke. The sandwich is a burger with barbecue jackfruit on top of it on Texas toast. The French fries are seasoned deliciously.
They're so good. fries.
I can't put my finger on what kind of burger this is. I thought it was Beyond because it was thicker, but it's like better than Beyond.
Oh. So you put
mayo.
Carolina Gold on there, and there's jackfruit on there. Is it good? This will be the last shot you see any of this food. I'm gonna say, controversial or not, to me, to Peter Brookhart and Peter Brookhart alone, those are the best French fries Disney World's ever offered.
Wow.
Better than Casey's Corner.
Better than fish and chips?
Yes, easily. I think Casey's are better than fish and chips. And those beat both. I almost didn't want to dip those French fries in any of the sauces because they were just so darn good with the seasoning. I was this close to having a temper tantrum from heat and hunger and just tired. Perfect timing for that. And I think we decided just now we're going to bail. Our room's ready, so we're going to go back to the resort and really enjoy the rest of the evening at the resort between pools, partying with Stacy, maybe go to Contemporary for a snack later. Look at that double monorail right as we walk into our new room. Look at this crazy view. Right, like from the second we walked into the door. Sarah's like, oh no. And because you could see the castle right when we walked in.
With like the only thing in front of it, beautiful flowers.
Beautiful blooming flowers.
This was worth the move.
Look at that. That is literal insanity. What up? Monorail orange. Wow. Got the luggage. We gotta go to the car store to get our laptop and swimsuits. But I also stopped somewhere else.
Oh gosh.
I rented. When you say DVC, you can go to the community hall and you can do 2 movies at a time. They have a ton of movies.
Really?
All the way through
I see
R.
Santa Claus.
You
What's
can
the
get
other one?
Deadpool. Nightmare Before Christmas. Nightmare Before Christmas, the Santa Claus. We have a DVD player, so later today, we can celebrate 4th Christmas in July. Look at that. Perfectly Bay Lake Towers blocking the sun from the pool. We're gonna hit up some pool time and relax. Ready?
Yay! Shoulder slide.
There's the slide. So after 2 hours in the pool, we're gonna go lay by the beach by Contemporary.
Yeah.
And then maybe go in that pool. I don't know.
We saw a bald eagle.
We did see a bald eagle
And like 16 times.
up there. It was like, America, spread your golden wings.
Look at this view.
We're waiting for the fireworks to start. Not leaving the beach until they start. Sarah's trying to hide my phone even though we need it. So after hanging around, realizing that our DVD player is missing a bunch of cords in our room, so we called maintenance. But we told them that we're not going to be there because we decided last minute to wait for some drinks and sushi at California Grill.
So they said it'd be like a 30 to 45 minute wait for like a walk up.
Yes.
The lounge isn't. Is this? No. It was Instagram. The lounge isn't like as active. Like it's not.
Because of social distancing, they can't occupy as many people.
Yeah. What's the word I'm trying to
Efficient?
think of? No, it's
Turning
not
tables?
operating as it typically is. So we'll probably just have a normal table, but.
Hey, I'm okay with a normal
yeah,
table.
they
at
have
California
really
Grill.
yummy plant-based sushi. We're down the street.
And I did my hair in like 4 seconds, and that's why this is happening back here.
We made it up.
And I thought we'd be maybe sitting at the bar. No, we're in the wine room.
We're in the wine room. So the rest of the restaurant is out there, and our view is more so of the pool. But we've been looking at the castle from our room, so this is really
And after we go back
cool.
to our room, we're going to go back to our balcony staring at the castle. So for now, we'll take the beautiful wine room.
Yeah.
I haven't tried mine yet, but it looks absolutely delicious. You know, it's always a good old fashioned when there's one massive ice cube.
Perfect.
That's
This
it.
is like my perfect vacation trip.
So we ended up doing one of the forbidden rolls.
Yes.
And one avocado cucumber roll.
Yeah.
And then some bread.
Okay, so here is our more simple cucumber avocado roll.
I apologize, we didn't bring our dark lens. But this is the forbidden roll. It's made with like black rice.
Forbidden rice.
Forbidden rice. This is a forbidden, delicious plant-based roll.
It's mango chutney.
Mango chutney. And a bunch of other delicious stuff. and it's gonna be gone. And it's gonna be so good. I love even like the presentation of it is really awesome. I have to sneeze, but I think it's because of the wasabi. Our server's amazing. He's just been chit-chatting with us.
Yeah.
That sushi was absolutely, I think it might have been the best sushi I've ever had. But more importantly, our server was like just chit-chatting with us, and he's like, let me get you the menu. There's this vegan cheesecake, and it's really good, and we're just like, just bring it. Just bring it. And so he's getting it now.
Yeah. This was just the perfect amount.
Late
The
night.
perfect little drink. Loved it.
Oh, look at that, the presentation and everything. So it's a vegan cheesecake.
Berries.
I forget, that was so Chicago-y. And I forgot that like I was ready to brace for cold coming out here. And then it was warm.
We've never looked down before. That's crazy. Wow.
Sarah came up with a great idea that we should just sign off up here.
Yeah. What an unexpected end to the night.
And it was an amazing, unexpected end of the
The
night.
ultimate cherry on top.
Yes. It is good to be home.
Good to be home.
We know what our goals are. We know what we hope to accomplish. And believe me, it's the most exciting and challenging assignment we've ever tackled at Walt Disney Productions.